Welcome back once again, friends. I am Asif, your mathematics teacher. This is class 6, chapter number 5, fractions, exercise 5G. So, students, in this exercise, all questions are objectives. In one questions, there are 4 options, and one option is correct, and we have to choose the appropriate or the correct option after solving the question. And while solving this exercise, you cannot solve directly after looking at the answer from the last pages of the book. Okay, this is the very bad thing, because some of the students do so please do not do so. Okay, first try to understand the questions, what the question says, then solve. Okay, and match which option is correct. Now have a look, friends. As you can see, question number 3, a fraction equivalent to 24 by 36, and all these terms, equivalent fractions or etc., have been studied. Okay, now here 24, first the given fraction is 24 divided by 36. Now first see, is it, we have to find the equivalent to this fraction. There are 4 options, 3 by 4, this and this. Okay, now see, first of all, to make this in the shortest term, now here there's 6 ja and 6 4 ja, or either we can get cancel 12 2 ja and 12 3 ja. This will get 2 by 3, मीन्स 12 के टेबल से दोनों ये डिवाइड हो जाएगा, 12 2 जा 24 और 12 3 जा. So 2 by 3 is the shortest form of the fraction, is the short term of the fraction, means the lowest term. No match. Yes, this is your answer. And always remember, friends, either we can solve 24 by 36. Okay, in order to find the equivalent fractions, find the SCF of these two numerator and denominator terms, then divide the SCF, and we will get the equivalent fraction. Or equivalent fraction is the same non-zero number is multiplied in numerator and denominator, or same non-zero number the numerator is divided by same non-zero number, or the denominator is also divided by the same non-zero number. Okay, this will 2 by 3 is your answer, or either we can write the this. Okay, both are the same. This is 2 by 3. Okay, I hope you will get. Now next question. Now see, friends, question number 5 says, if 45 by 60 is equivalent to 3 by x, then the value of x is a4, b5, c6 and d20. Means we have to choose the correct option. Yes, then first, to understand the statement of the question, yes, we have already written over here as 45 by 60 is equivalent to 3 by 4. Okay, what does mean by equivalent? What does it mean? Equivalent means the fractions which is equivalent to the another fraction, means both the fractions equal. Okay, suppose 1 by 2 is equivalent to 2 by 4, means both the fractions equal. Why? Because 2 1 ja 2 and 2 2 ja 4. 1 by 2 is also here, 1 by 2 is, means the value of both the fractions are equal. So this is why we can easily equate this fraction to 3 by x. So 45 by 60 can be written as 3 is equal to 3 by x. Now we have already written as the left hand and right hand side, it doesn't matter. Now reverse, we are taking as a reciprocal of 3 by x. Reciprocal of 3 by x is equal to x by 3, and a reciprocal of 45 by 60 is equal to 60 by 45, means numerator goes to denominator and denominator comes to numerator. Okay, this could be written as x by 3, this is also 60 by 4. Now this is a 3 1 ja 3 and 3 15 ja 45, and 15 1 ja 50 and 15 4 ja 60. So x is equal to 4. This is your final answer, means A, option number A is correct. I hope you will understand. Now next, now see, students, question number 9 says, which of the following statements Which of the following statements are correct. It should be correct होना चाहिए. Statements are correct. Which of the following statements are correct? Now a 3 by 4 less than 3 by 5. Let me check one by one. First, think about, suppose 3 by 4 as it is, write down, and 3 by 5. Now in order to decide which fraction is greater or smaller than the other, means if you remember, then to come to know by cross multiplication, first multiply as a cross multiplication, 3 multiply by 5, then 4 multiply by 3, and always remember downwards number will bring up, then multiply by 3, then downwards number to bring up, then multiply by 3. Okay, this is 15 and this is 12, so this is 15 is here, where there is open there is greater, where there is open there is greater, means here is, it should be, this number should be the appropriate sign, it should be here, but here is the less than, this is wrong. Now think this 3 by 4 in B, 3 by 4 and 3 by 5. Let me calculate. 3 multiply by 5, 5 goes to up and multiply by 3, and this 4 goes to up and multiply by 3. Yes, this is 15, this is 12. Yes, 15 is greater than here. Here, yes, same sign is here, because the sign is correct. So this option is correct, means answer B is correct. I hope you will get. So friend, students, see question number 13. The smallest of the fractions 3 by 4, 5 by 6, 7 by 12, 2 by 3 is A, B or C or D. Means find the correct option. Now in order to find the correct option, first we have to find out among these 4 fractions which is the smallest. Okay, because this is the unlike fractions. Okay, in unlike fractions, first we take the LCM of all the denominators and we can put all the fractions as the same denominator and check which numerator is greater fraction and which numerator is less fraction. Okay, now see, first find the LCM. Now LCM of 4, 6, 12 and 3. So my motto is not to find the LCM, my motto is to find the smallest number, a small fraction among them. So we can find the LCM as usual method and check is the LCM is 12. Okay, find and check is it 12 or not. Okay, the LCM is 12. Then for this fractions 3 by 4, now we are going to put the same denominator, okay, of every fraction. Now we can put, and we are going to putting the same denominator as 12. So 12 is putting over here. Okay, divide this 12 by 4. This 12 is divided by 4, 3, and 3 multiply by 3, 3 is 9. Now similarly 5 by 6 fraction, 5 by 6 can be written as, here is the, because we are going to make as the same denominator fraction, here is the 12. Now this 12 is divided by 6, 2 multiply by 5, 5 to 10. Now the third fraction is 7 by 12. 7 by 12 is as it is, there is no change because the same denominator is already here, so as it is. Now this is the last 2 by 3. 2 by 3 fractions can be written as, here is the 12. Okay, now this 12 is divided by 3. 3 4 is 12. 4 multiply by 2. Yes, 4 multiply by 2, 4 to 8. Now we are looking. Now we look at the numerators. All fractions having the same denominators. Here, have a look. Now see the less numerator. The less numerator. Yes, less numerator. Here is the 9, 10, 7. Less numerator is 7. Means the 7 by 12 is the least, is the smallest fraction. So 7 by 12 means option number D. So D is correct answer. I hope you will understand. D is correct option. Okay. Now friends, see question number 20. Last question says, which is greater, 3 1 by 3 or 33 by 10? Means we have to select this mixed fraction or this fraction is greater. Okay. Now here the options are given. 3 options are given. Now first solve. First we have to change this mixed fraction into improper. 3 3 is 9 plus 1 10. 10 by 3 as it is. Okay. Now this is as it is because this is. Now by cross multiplication this will 10 here up and this is up. Now 10 multiplied by 10 and this 3 multiplied by 33. So 10 10 is 100 and this is 33. 3 3 is 9, 3 3 is 9. Look at here is the because 100 is greater than 99. 100 is greater than 99. It could be here sign means 10 by 3 and we can say 3 1 by 3 is greater means 33 by 10 is less. So 3 1 by 3 is greater. The A is option. Option number A is correct. Option number A is 3 1 by 3 is greater. Okay. I hope you will understand. Now your friends, your homework is question number 1 to 20 all questions and this exercise 5F have been completed. Your homework, if you have any doubt or queries, please ask me. Write your name, roll number, class in the comment box below. Okay. Have a nice day.